So you are highly welcome to a special topic. I know that the problem of most poultry farmers is poultry and livestock feeding cost. It is very high. In fact, you hardly get a bag of feed less than 20,000 now. Some companies sell their bag of finisher 28 to 30,000 depending on your location. Grower, some say 18 to 20,000 depending on your location. Starter, 20 to 25,000 depending on your location. You can see for poultry alone it is very costly, and you know that poultry is the only livestock animal you can confine in a place completely 100%, because if you allow them to move, predators will just use them and form their own meal. So it is always advisable to confine them into a place and feed them. Goats, you can send them out, they graze and still survive. Cattle, sheep and others can be grazed and you still survive without any issue, because they are bigger animals and they can withstand the pressure from predators. Now, you know that it will be difficult for small snake to swallow cow. It is difficult. But small snake can take advantage of chickens. So that is why it is always good to give them adequate biosecurity measures. In this particular video, we're going to look at what we can do to reduce the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals with banana powder, leaf, the fruit, and the flour, unlocking super feed secret in poultry and livestock feeding. In recent years, natural and cost-effective alternatives to commercial feed additives have gained momentum in poultry and livestock farming. One such powerful and underutilized resource is the banana plant, particularly its powdered fruit, leaves, even the flowers. These parts of the banana plant are not only rich in nutrients but also enhances animal health and promote growth and reduce dependency on synthetic additives and antibiotics. This particular video will guide you on the nutritional benefit, inclusion rate, and overall impact of using banana powder, banana leaves, and flour in poultry and livestock feeding. Even the banana stem is also good for poultry and livestock feeding if you know how to process them. If you don't know, please watch the video on how to use banana plantain stem to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. You get enough knowledge and apply it and see how your poultry business is going to flourish. Let me first give you the nutritional benefits and properties of banana powder. The banana powder itself, you see, this one is peeled off, and we use the banana powder. It's made by drying ripe bananas and grinding them into fine powder. It contains carbohydrates 72 to 80%, which is very highly digestible energy source for poultry and livestock animal feed. It has dietary fiber 5 to 6%, which improves gut health and digestion. It has natural sugars, fructose and glucose, which is a very quick energy source and digestible energy also. It has potassium, which improves muscle and nerve function. It has magnesium, which aids enzyme activity and stress resistance in poultry. It has vitamin C, which boosts immunity. It has vitamin B6, which enhances metabolism in poultry and livestock animals. It has phenolic compound, which provides antioxidant activity. It has tryptophan, which supports mood and appetite. What are the key benefits for poultry and livestock animals? 1. It boosts energy level of the poultry and livestock animals for faster growth and weight gain. For egg production birds, it boosts their egg production and egg drop, both quality and everything. It improves gut health and digestion. It enhances immune response and strengthens their immunity. It also reduces feed conversion ratio and drop it. It improves meat tendency and meat taste. And let me tell you what is. Listen, when we talk about dropping feed conversion ratio has to do with the quantity of feed they eat and what it gives them in their body. When I told you that our Eco Boil Booster help to drop the feed cost, some people would ask me, does it mean our chicken will eat few bars and get weight? No, it doesn't. What it means is that they will eat little quantity of feed and convert it to bigger meat. What it means is that the same bag of feed you give your chicken and they will give you 4 kg, they will eat the same quantity of feed and give you 6 kg or 5 kg. That's what it means. I've known this. Stop asking, with Eco Boil Booster, do we use 2 bars of feed? Do we use 3 bars of feed? No, it doesn't mean like that. The chicken will still eat, but the level of their feed conversion will be higher when you're using the Eco Boil Booster. What are the nutritional benefits and properties of banana leaves? Banana leaves are high in fiber and contains a range of beneficial compounds. It is very rich in crude protein. Remember that crude protein is the major source of every poultry feed, major source of nutrient for every poultry feed. The meat they get in their body, everything, the weight, the growth is on what? Protein level. If the protein level of that feed is low, it means their chicken will get low growth. If it is very high, they will get very maximum weight and height. It contains crude protein 10 to 13%. It has cellulose, which helps in digestion and intestinal health. It has flavonoid and tannins, which is an antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. It has calcium and magnesium, which is good for bone formation and bone development. It has polyphenols, which support immunity and reduce inflammations. What are the key benefits of banana and plantain leaves? 1. They promote natural detoxification. They prevent gut infestations and diarrhea. They increase feed palatability. They are natural deworming agents and effects. They reduce stress and heat in poultry beds. Nutritional benefit of properties. Nutritional benefits and properties of banana flour. 1. Banana flour is also very good in crude protein. The flour has 15 to 20% crude protein. This flour, many farmers cut it and throw it off. They throw it away. They don't make use of it. But if you are a poultry farmer, do you know that some farmers even cut the flowers before the main fruit matures, because they believed that once they cut the flower, it makes the fruit itself grow bigger. But you can still go and cut this and make use of it to produce your own feed in time before it gets off, because even if you don't cut it, then it will still vanish and wither off. So 15% crude protein is gone. 15 to 20% crude protein is gone. It has iron, phosphorus and potassium. It has tannins and saponins. It has antiparasitic and immune boosting properties. Antioxidant fights cellular and damages in poultry livestock health. It has phytoestrogen, which improves reproductive health for breeding birds. It increases egg production in layers, enhances fertility in breeders, it reduces oxidative stress in poultry, promotes health and healthy blood profile of your poultry and livestock animals. What are the recommendations and the inclusion rate in poultry and livestock feed? 1. If you're using banana and plantain powder, use 5 to 10% in their feed. So any feed formula you are making, make sure you reserve 5 to 10%. What it means is that every 100 kg, you're using 5 kg or 10 kg of the banana and plantain powder. Now, for animals, poultry, layers, pigs can take this. It is excellent energy source and to avoid excess due to sugar. Please, don't use more than 10. Please don't use more than 10% because of the sugar level is very high. That's why you see diabetic patients, they don't advise them to eat banana and plantain. Now the next one is banana leaf. Chop them into pieces and dry it. Don't allow it to get spoiled. You use 5 to 7% of it in your feed. These banana and plantain leaves you throw away. You know that many farmers, after harvesting the banana, they just cut it and leave the thing there. They will decay there. Go and cut this leaf, chop it into pieces and dry it. When you grind it to powder, you can mix it with the feed. You can reserve it and use it and form your own feed. It serves as a very good source of energy also for poultry, and it's good for goat and sheep and cattle also. They should be sun-dried or enlisted for better digestions. Banana flour is another wonderful one. It can be used up to 3%. It is good for layers and breeders. It boosts laying capacity and boosts their immunity and fertility also. Please introduce all these products gradually and observe their performance and the droppings. Or adjust and manage and check their poop or the poultry droppings. You see how it is, then you know whether to add or to reduce. Because incorporating banana powder, leaves and flowers into poultry and livestock feed. Incorporating banana powder, leaves and flowers into poultry and livestock feed presents a very good, natural and sustainable, highly nutritious approach to boosting animal health. Incorporating banana powder, leaves and flower into poultry and livestock feed presents a natural, sustainable and highly nutritious approach to boosting animal health and productivity. Rich in energy, protein, vitamins, minerals and powerful antioxidants, banana-based feed additives can cut down feed costs, reduce mortality and diseases, increase weight gain and egg production, improve overall animal health and welfare without antibiotics. By leveraging banana plant resources readily available in many parts of Africa and Asia, farmers can achieve better results while staying organic and sustainable. Please, if this particular topic interests you, alright, we'll give you the thumb up immediately. Please, do you have banana plantain in your environment? Do you have enough of it in your area? Do you have you been using this banana and plantain stem to drop, or banana resources to drop your feed cost? Let me know on the comment section. And what else do you think we can make for you? Any video you think that is necessary for yours to make, let me know on the comment section. That particular video you demand, you need for me to make for you, let me know on the comment section. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. This is our feed boosters. You can see them. Our feed booster is available. This is 15,000 each. If you buy one carton of it, one carton is 12 pieces. 12 pieces is one carton. We can give you, if you buy one carton, you are getting one pack free. One carton, you get one pack free. So this is it. See it. Buy one carton and get this free. See it. Each is 15,000 naira, one like this. You can use this to boost 4 bags of feed or more, depending on the growth level of your poultry beds. That's it. This is feed booster. We have it here. It's available in large quantity. This is Eco Bio Booster Liquid, 55,000 naira. This is only 55,000 naira, and it's 5 liters. That is 5 liters is 5,000 ml. You can see it. This product will help you to boost the immunity of your poultry birds. You will not spend any money on synthetic. This is purely organic, and the meat of your poultry birds will be tasty, and the growth rate will be very fast. You get maximum weight within a short period of time. It's a wonderful product. Many people are using it. It's going to different regions, different locations, and it's doing wonderful work. No more synthetic, no more buying of medications, no more mortality, no more stunted growth if you use these products. Thank you for watching this video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers while I stop here to load another video in the next channel. Subscribe to our poultry channels, please. If this is the first time I'm coming across the channel, subscribe if you want to make meaningful profit in poultry and agribusiness. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notification so that anytime we release an update on the particular video, you get notified. Remember, this is still I'm still celebrating my birthday. It is not yet over until the end of this month. Alive. Bye for now.